Hi my dear students, today we are going to talk about the transformations. Okay, let's see. First, we must find the distance between 2 points. It's a first lesson in geometry. Find the distance between 2 points. Okay, let's draw number line. Okay, like this. Okay, and locate point A on -3 and point B on +1. Then, if I want to calculate the length of AB or to know the length of AB, it means the distance between A and B. Length of AB means the distance between A and B. So we can calculate it by counting from A to B. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will be 4 units. But if we don't have number line, and we need to find the length between the 2 points, so we have a rule: the length of AB equal modulus or absolute value of B minus A or A minus B. Both of them is right. Okay, B minus A or A minus B. Okay, equal, so modulus of 1 point B equal 1 minus -3 as point A, so it will be 4. Modulus 4 equal 4. We know that any number inside modulus become positive number. So the distance between 2 points or equal the difference modulus of the difference between the 2 points equal the modulus of the difference between the 2 points. Okay, let's see on the coordinate plane. Coordinate plane on Z. In the coordinate plane graph, draw the points A 1 and 5, B 1 and 2, C -1 and 4. Okay, let's draw, or let's bring a graph paper and start in drawing x-axis and y-axis. We know that on Z we have positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, we know forward and backward. Do you remember? Forward or to the right is positive numbers, backward or to the left is represent the negative numbers. Above is represent positive numbers, below is represent negative numbers. So we have x-axis and y-axis, and every axis has positive and negative. Okay, so let's draw y-axis and x-axis. Okay, we have here, we know that forward or to the right is x positive. Okay, and to the left or backward it means x dash or negative. Above is mean positive, y positive. Okay, down or below is mean y negative. Okay, do you remember on n? If we remember the coordinate plane on of n, we just draw x and y positive, just positive numbers. Okay, in middle we will put 0. 0 is the point. Okay, middle point is 0, or the intersection point between x-axis and y-axis is 0. So let's write the numbers. Okay, like the number line. Positive numbers 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Negative numbers above positive, below negative. Okay, let's draw A 1 and 5. So 1 is x and y, 5 is y. B 1 and 2. 1 is x and 2 is y. C -1 and 4, x and y. Okay, let's draw letter A, 1 point A 1 and 5, point A 1 and up to 5 and put point A. Okay, locate point A. Point B, 1 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Locate point B. Letter C, negative 1 and 4. So locate point C. Then join A and B and C. Okay, we are going to talk about the transformations. We talked about it before in grade 5. Transformations means if you look at mirror, it means reflection. If you look at mirror, it means reflection. Like these two circles, okay? Two circles, we find this sign, okay? This is opposite to this, so it means reflection, like we will look at mirror, okay? But if it was like this, just moving, but in the same direction, right? It moved in the direction without any change, so it means translation. So it means translation. Okay, rotation, turn around, so it means rotation. We have three types of transformation: reflection, translation, rotation. Reflection, translation, rotation. Okay, and this year we will study translation. Okay, to make any translation we must have direction. I need to find, you must tell me the direction, okay, and magnitude. Magnitude, number of units or number of steps you will move, okay? Like when I told you that move to the right, so I determined the direction, okay, to the right. 4 steps to the right, so you will move 4 steps to the right. So I told you about the direction to the right and told you the number of steps. Okay, I told you to move to the left 3 steps, so you will move to the left 3 steps. 3 steps to the left, direction and magnitude. Okay, to get the image of any point by the translation, okay, we know that we have the original and image. We have the original and image. So image equal the original point plus the translation. The original point plus the translation. Like if I told you to find the image of point 2 and 3 by translation 4 and negative 1. So 2, we know that point plus translation. So 2 plus 4 equal 6 and 3 plus negative 1 equal 2, so it will be 2 and 3 by translation 4 and negative 1, it will be 6 and 2. Okay, let's see on the see this question. Choose the correct answer. This question in booklet, okay? The image of the point negative 1 and 2 by translation of magnitude. Yes, we know the magnitude is the number of steps of 3 units in the positive direction of the x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis means x plus what? Plus the number of units. So the positive direction of x-axis means x plus what? Plus the number of the units. Okay, if I told you negative direction of x-axis, it means x minus the number of units. X minus the number of units. So let's see. The translation here will be x plus 3 and y, because he don't tell me about y, so y is fixed, okay? Y not a change, so x plus 3 and y, x plus 3 and y. The translation is x plus 3 and y. Why x plus 3? Because he told me magnitude is 3 units in the positive direction, so it will be x plus, positive direction means means x plus what? 3 units. So the translation will be x plus 3 and y. Let's count or let's calculate it. So the point plus the translation. So negative 1 plus 3, it will be 2, and y is fixed, so 2 and 2. So the choice is 2 and 2. Let's see the other one. The image of the point negative 3 and 4, negative 3 and 4, by translation of magnitude 4 units in the negative direction of y-axis. Here the translation will be minus 4. X fixed. He didn't tell me about x, so x as it is, and the direction will be y minus what? He told me 4 units. So y minus 4. Why we said minus? Because he told me that negative direction. So negative direction mean y minus what? The number of units y minus 4. Let's count. Okay, negative 3 as it is, and 4 minus 4 is 0, so the choice is negative 3 and 0. The image of the point 3 and 5 by translation x plus 2 and y minus 1. It's a normal. So let's 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 5 minus 1 equals 4, so the answer is 5 and 4. The image of the point 8 and negative 10 by translation negative 3 and 4. Okay, let's add 8 plus negative 3, it will be 5. Negative 10 plus 4, it will be negative 6. So the answer is 5 and negative 6. The image of the point 1 and negative 3 by translation, he didn't give me the translation, is 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 is the image, and the main point is 1 and negative 3. Do you remember the rule? Image equal point plus translation. So if I want to calculate the translation, it will be image minus the point. So 1 and 0 minus 1 and negative 3. 1 minus 1, 0, and 0 minus negative 3, it will be 3. So the translation is 0 and 3. Okay, we can check our answer. So 1 plus 0 equal 1. Negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. So the answer is right. 0 and 3. Okay, let's see how can we make the translation. Let's see how to make translation, okay, on the coordinate plane. In the latest, draw triangle ABC in which A 1 and 1, B negative 3 and negative 1, C is 0 and negative 6. Then find its image by translation 5 and 0. Okay, first, before drawing, we must find the translation. So A 1 and 1 by translation 5 and 0. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 1 plus 0 equals 1, so it will be A dash 6 and 1. B negative 3 and negative 1 by translation 5 and 0, so B dash negative it will be negative 3 plus 5 positive 2, and negative 1 plus 0 equal negative 1. C 0 and negative 6 by translation 5 and 0, C dash 5 and negative 6. Let's draw graph paper, then draw x-axis and y-axis, x dash, y and y dash. Okay, positive numbers, negative, negative, positive. Middle point is 0. Okay, let's draw, or let's locate point A 1 and 1. Locate point A. Point B negative 3 and negative 1. Locate point B. Point C 0 and negative 6. Locate point C and join the 3 points. Okay, let's draw the image. A dash 6 and 1. This is point A dash. B dash 2 and negative 1. C dash 5 and negative 6. So let's join A dash B dash C dash. Okay, this is the image of triangle ABC. The image is A dash B dash C dash by translation 5 and 0. Thank you.